Good morning. We don't want the students who have not come for COVID-19 should not miss the class. So simultaneously, we record online and we do online and offline classes so that they also get benefited till the fear of this COVID-19 is over. I am taking 3 units in atomic molecular physics. This is paper, compulsory paper, atomic and molecular physics. This is PH means physics. And this is hardcore means compulsory paper. Hardcore, let's see, hardcore theory paper. T is theory paper. If I have P practice, that is for practice. And it is 120. Alright, atomic and molecular physics is a compulsory paper, the first term, where we are discussing atomic spectra. That is in unit 1. There are 4 units. 4 units, 100 marks. And molecular physics is molecular physics. It also covers optics. Molecular physics and optics you can write, because 1 unit is optics. In molecular physics is a 2 unit. Unit 2 and 3 is about molecular physics. And optics is a 4th unit. A major we study laser physics only. Optics is laser optics. So I am taking these 3 units for you. Except atomic physics, the molecular physics 2, 3 and optics. That I am dealing with your class. Before this is very important. You know, M.Sc physics is given in various specializations like spectroscopy, nuclear, and electronics, and then we got solid state. Solid state. Okay. Now it is our university is not modified the title. Now solid state physics is also called condensed matter. Condensed matter physics. This is electronics physics, nuclear physics, spectroscopic physics. These were the specialization old universities are offering till today. But nowadays, this electronics itself developed into a very big branch, and even M.Sc electronics is available as a separate this thing. But even M.Sc physics electronics specialization is also there. But in our case, for physicists, the specialization is not that important. Means if you have obtained a degree in any one of these specializations, you are eligible to teach physics. But that is not the case in chemistry. For that reason now, they realize that for that reason they are giving M.Sc general chemistry. Earlier, if you are graduated M.Sc in organic chemistry, you are eligible to apply only for organic post. If you got the M.Sc in inorganic, they are only eligible to apply for inorganic. But that was not the case with physics people. Physics people, any specialization can apply for the other post. You see that they also started a course called M.Sc General Chemistry, for example, that we have in college. They are able to apply for any post. Okay. This specialization only if they are studying. There are hardcore papers that any specialization people should study them. Because in first sem, what we will do, first semester and second semester, which we call earlier as first year. First year and final year or second year. In first sem, it includes first sem and second sem. This is third sem and fourth sem. Okay. Here we mainly study all common papers. We study spectroscopy, this atomic molecular optics physics is nothing but that is very much required to study spectroscopy. We study nuclear physics in second sem, solid state physics, even though you change the specialization in third and fourth sem, but these are required. We study all elements of all these branches. We study electronics, we study solid state physics, we study nuclear physics, we study spectroscopy. Right? Elements of spectroscopy, elements of nuclear physics, the basic foundation. Basic foundation of electronics, basic foundation of solid state physics, all are covered in first year. Whatever may be your specialization. Only specialization is in second year or third or fourth sem. There also you got common papers. Whatever may be your specialization, you should study some common papers like quantum mechanics. It is there here also, here also. Whatever specialization you should study, quantum mechanics is required. And we require methods of mathematical physics. Mathematical physics is required because mathematics is called the language of physics. Whatever we express in mathematical equations. So, mathematics is very much required. Earlier to get M.Sc. Until today, whenever you want to do M.Sc. physics, only the students studied mathematics as one of the paper in degree. They are only eligible to apply for mathematics, physics. Well, that condition is not there. Chemistry, since that people are the same student, both. So, mathematics is a must. We should study one of the paper because physics, higher physics is highly mathematical. You require a lot of integrations, differentiation, tensors, all these are matrices, right? You know, you may not recognize the importance of mathematics when you are studying mathematics. Do you know why you are studying matrices? What is the use of matrices? While you only study this symmetric matrix, and they don't teach, mathematics people don't teach because they don't know the application of that. Only higher research scholars know the importance. In B.Sc, you have thought why you are studying mathematics? You are studying physics because by studying Newton's law, racket can be launched, or action and reactions. They can be realized in a practical life. Right? A vehicle moves, acceleration, dc. Like that, do you know what is the use of matrices? You know the use of 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That argument is okay. But do you recognize the importance of determinants, the importance of matrices? Even y is equal to mx, this we say y is equal to mx. What is this? If I write this is when x is changing, y is a function of x, means x is changing, y is changing in a linear fashion, and this represents the equation. If you plot a graph of y versus x, this is a straight line. If it has intersect, then this is x equal to 0 value, some c value is there. If c only y is equal to mx, then it passes through function, right? And if you write x square plus y square is equal to a square, then that represents as right? A ellipse physics where A is the parameter and the equation of a parabola, equation of ellipse, hyperbola, and all these. They give the nature. Where it is useful? For example, I write an equation S is equal to ut plus half x. Right? They do. What is instead of calling, they call this as y is equal to x. Right? Xt plus half. It may be something else. This may be xt plus a, or you make this. This is instead of t, because t is the variable. They write like this. Original equation we write as equal to plus they may write like this: x plus half ax square. Differentiate. What is divided by dx? They calculate. What they are actually getting out of this? This is the equation of a motion. Right, s is equal to the distance covered in a different time. We make use of this for a different time. Like this, you study only this, you don't recognize how it is useful. You write only this and you find the differentiation. What exactly the differentiation gives? Differentiation gives when a value is a function of this. Right, when it is changing, it is also changing. You will find what is that. For example, if you are doing this, if you find a differentiation, then that gives the velocity. Right? If you do dy by dx, when you do ds by dt, you get velocity. When you do d square s by dt square, you get acceleration. Right? So, we use that mathematics in physics actually. Even matrices, determinants, we use how the atoms are arranged in the solids. All the matrices that you studied is useful in physics. Right? That is not directly useful in mathematics. That has fine applications in physics. While dealing solid state physics, we want to know how the atoms are arranged in a solid. Then we go with the symmetric matrices. Matrices are useful to understand the distribution or the compact arrangement of atoms in a solid. For that reason, you see the beauty of mathematics actually in physics, not in mathematics. You don't understand the importance of mathematics if you only study mathematics. You will understand the beauty of the mathematics when you apply, when you see the real life examples. You appreciate mathematics only when you study physics. Okay? So now the mathematics is a must for physicists. For that reason, we got MMP in first sem, MMP in second year. Also, it is a compulsory paper. Okay. This part I want to tell you why what is the M.Sc physics, and we are doing M.Sc physics in solid state physics. It is also nothing but condensed matter physics, and this is now emerging. Earlier, we have only spectroscopy and nuclear physics, right? But now they are outdated almost, because everyone is studying that, and new discoveries are in condensed matter physics. For that reason, we opted the condensed matter physics or solid state physics for chosen specialization for our M.Sc course. Okay, these are old branches, nuclear, spectroscope, but I don't deny the importance of that. But much higher studies are going in condensed matter physics. Okay, people usually they opt condensed matter or solid state physics for their specialization in M.Sc, so that if they do research, they can get a lot of opportunity. Anybody can do research in any other fields. It doesn't bar a nuclear physics doing research in solid state physics. Okay, research is an open field. You can. Along with this, physics also explored in many other subjects. It is advanced. We got now biophysics because physics find much applications in biology. Stethoscope, NMR, BP meters, everything. Even cancer cells, T cells, the growth and how to deaccelerate or how to control them. Physicists are working on that. So physics is entered in biology also. Similarly, chemistry almost if you take material science, even physics comes with material science as also one of the specializations. Material science actually it is the blend of physics and chemistry. Both study this science. So physics is also advanced in the structure of the materials. Actually, this was originally the property of chemistry, but now physics has moved too much in that branch, and material science we also is physics entering into chemistry, the physics entering into biology. And similarly, even in the art subject also, we got bioeconomics, economics, the share market up and down of the shares. Yeah, now people are trying to analyze on the basis of statistics, random walk problem. Brownian motion goes up and down. We can predict by studying the other, but that is not exact science. We don't find a result exactly that, but most of the results predicted are almost equal, but we cannot say 100% accurate. That is the difference between basic science and social science. Arts, commerce people are also called science student, but they are social science student and you are basic science students. Science is only a systematic study. If you make study systematic, that is called science. Okay, now we coming first. Let me say what is the importance. I already sent one video. Of course, it is obviously sixth sem video. Okay, and we have PPT wise attached to that in the group. Have you seen that? The M.Sc Physics first time group I have sent one B.Sc sixth sem that is bonding of solids, because that is introduction while doing with molecular physics A. Heading is molecular physics A. Unit 2 in this paper talking molecular physics. First, the syllabus starts bonding in solids, and he asks you to discuss chemical bond. Chemical bonds you have studied in sixth sem in material science, second unit. In chemical bond we got ionic bond, covalent bond, and metallic bonds. These are called these three are called primary bonds. Primary bonds between the angles, and they are strong compared to secondary bonds. And we got another type. This I called type 1 primary bonds. Type 2 is secondary bonds. And in secondary bonds we got hydrogen bond and we got van der Waals bond. Basic idea is required, not in detail. We will not ask questions on that, but to understand what the molecular physics say, we require all these ideas. For that reason, that is mentioned in the syllabus. Okay, ionic bond, you know, these are called primary bonds because they are very strong compared to secondary bonds, right? And the energy involved in bonding formation is higher in primary bonds compared to secondary bonds. For that reason, we say the energy is kilojoule per mole, and mole, you know, it is the amount of substance expressed in moles. Instead of saying in kg, sometimes it is easy to say how many atoms are present in that. And at NTP or STP, standard temperature and pressure, the gram equivalent represent that many atoms in the molecule. What is the importance of, for example, if I write 12, this is element, any element is denoted by ZXA. This is the element, this is the atomic number, this is mass. What is the importance of this? Yet NTP, if you take 12 grams of carbon, this isotope, it consists at NTP. If you take 12 grams of carbon, it consists how many atoms? Avogadro number 6.023 10 to 23 atoms for 1 gram. If you say in kg, it is 10 to 6 atoms. And if I write for oxygen 8 to 16, then what it says? That is called gram equivalent number. To have this many number of oxygen atoms, you have to take 16 grams. Or in this many oxygen atoms weighs 16 grams. 23. If you write gram, this is gram number. This many atoms of oxygen weighs 16 grams. This many of carbon weighs 12 grams. This many of hydrogen weighs 1 gram. This many of uranium weighs 35. I am talking about. This many of uranium weighs 35 grams. That is the importance of the gram weight. Now we want to study how the bonding. You know what is the difference between the elements and substance? Elements, we list the elements in periodic table. What is the difference? We don't find carbon dioxide in that. Why? In the periodic table we don't find carbon dioxide or HCl. Because the elements means they possess a characteristic property, right? They are building block of substance. Substance is made up of so many elements usually, right? For example, sand, calcium, carbon, you say, right? Calcium, carbon, oxygen, all substance is made up of elements. If you divide matter, then we get elements basically. In elements, we got iron, all that. And if you go again smaller to that, we will come back to atoms, right? And then you go inside the atom, then you want to clear everything inside, like we put neutron, proton, electron, right? Now, in elements, if you see, there is a same type of atoms are there, but in a substance we are going to see same or different. That is that. Okay, what is the difference between an atom and a molecule? Atom is the smallest part. Till today, exact definition of atom is not given, but still we go with the old definition because still we find a suitable definition. Atom is the smallest part of the element which exhibits all the properties of the element. We say atom is the smallest part of the element which exhibits all the properties of the element. For example, if you take iron atom, one smallest part, it exhibits all the properties of the iron, right? Then what is molecule? Molecule is smallest particle of that substance which can independently exist. Atom may not exist independently, but molecule is that part of the substance which can exist independently, right? For example, if you take oxygen, O is an atom, but you don't see oxygen atoms in the nature. Usually what they will do, they combine with something else. For example, it combines with itself. O2 is existing. O2 is a molecule. O is an atom. Right? O is atom. O2 is a molecule. Hydrogen is atom. Hydrogen H2 is a molecule. Carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide, all these. Chlorine is an atom, HCl is a molecule. Right? Cl2 is a molecule. They independently exist, but these are not independently exist. That is the difference. The smallest part which independently exists means that is molecule. The smallest part which exhibits all the characters, if you say that becomes an atom. That is. And molecule may consist of single atom. Then there is called monomolecular atoms. Monomolecular atoms means that molecule consists single atom. That atom consists, molecule consists single atom means that independently exists. What type of atoms independently exist? Or molecule consists only one atom. Atom and molecule are same, and those are helium, neon, or noble gases. They independently exist. H is not independent.